Hello guys, welcome to the live stream. So silver is now breaking out from this trend line. As of now we can see silver is just breaking out from the trend line. So we have two levels, which is first is 69682 and second is this projector Fibonacci that I just plotted. So it is a 23.60 level for Fibonacci. And guys, do hit the like button if you are joining. Hi Dayanand, welcome to the live stream. So silver is just breaking out and now it's coming to retest. Crude is already going up. Natural gas is below this breakdown. It just gave the breakdown of 451.5. So let's see if it is coming here and then test the 13 EMA. Otherwise, like yesterday at this, it tried to bounce, reach till 13 EMA. Wait and watch for silver. This 69,682 is important in silver, and in silver mini 69,663 is important level. Actually 69,665 is important level. If it bounce from or reject from here, then there will be the sell trade in silver as well. Crude, there will be chance that it can give the sell trade. So I will first show you one projected Fibonacci for crude. So if you are able to watch this, do write something in chat box. Are you able to listen me, everyone? If you are able to listen me, do write in the comment if you are having any problem with audio. And this is the projected okay. So let's see, as of now crude is in the uptrend. If we watch this level, like yesterday this was 61.8% of Fibonacci retracement. If I just move this, if I move this to this trend, and you will see this is 61.8%. So what I did is I just have moved this thing to this swing low. Even if I move this to this swing low, it is already above the high of the Fibonacci top. So I will just move this to the 6311, which is the low of this candle, and this is what we get from this Fibonacci forecast. So there will be chance in crude that it will come down again till 64.35, which is a 50% of retracement, and then from here it will again test and again bounce back. Otherwise, if it is going directly up, it will be hard to catch because your stop loss will be pretty much big to take the buy trade from here. And if you want to take the counter sell trade, you can take the counter sell trade once it close below 6464, and as per the level as well, 6443 will be your target for crude oil, because it gave the breakout 1-2 times, it sustained above it. So there will be chance that it will come down till 6443 or 6444, and then it will maybe bounce again from here. And if it failed, then there is a chance that it will come to test this breakout level of 6380, because if you see this, it gave the breakout of this zone, but it has not tested this. So there will be chance that it will come down. And silver is going up and up. This was 38.2 level, which was also the Fibonacci projection. Okay, let me see how I get to this Fibonacci projection. I will remove everything as of now. So if you consider from this swing to this much, you will get this swing, okay? And now, sorry, not this one, my bad, this swing to this swing, and then just move it and keep it till here. So then you will get this level. It is actually bouncing from 50%, and as of now you will see that it's sustainable 50%. Wait, let me check what is actually okay. So I took even the previous one as well, my bad. So what I did from here, this was the earlier one, here this uptrend, and then from here Let me check once again how I made this. Okay, got it. So how did I make this? So I went on to the 1 hour time frame. I take this swing till this swing high, and then I just shifted this Fibonacci to this level, and you will see that these are matching as per the uptrend. Like the same I did in the crude, so I follow the same for this silver. Still there is something missing, but let's see. Now it is at the critical level. So from here either it will break out or break down, but the breakout will be fast and furious. Like this type of a candle can form, but if it reject, then it will be perfect for us to take a buy trade again from this retest. And crude is still there. Natural gas again reversed with the 15-minute time frame. Stochastic RSI. So natural gas is bouncing because of this stochastic RSI, and there is no any critical level, so it is giving the breakout. So maybe it will come to retest this trend line which it gave the breakdown. So there are chance that from here again it will bounce, it will reject. Both are at critical level. Silver mini both are at critical level. Hello Naim, how are you? I think you joined for the first time. Do you have any question, doubt? Do let me know. This is our crude forecast Fibonacci. Let's see what other. Copper is already bouncing, so there will be chance. Let me remove all the previous drawing. And if you want to watch copper on 1 hour time frame, so this is the forecast. 718.90 can be the target on the upside. It looks like a rounding bottom, so it can come to test this on 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame stochastic RSI also showing the down, so there is a chance that it can jump up. Maybe from here again one retracement can come in copper, and this is also one level to have a watch which can work as a rejection. So let me just take this Fibonacci for you, and we will mark if we go in the past, just recent. So one swing is here, second swing, so all the swings are very near in copper, and I can see a bit of a triangle pattern here. So wait and watch for copper as well. Maybe it will bounce, and here is a one zone. I can mark this as a zone instead of levels. So one level was 716.50 and 716.05. So 7160. So this is one of our zone for the breakout. So this will be one scenario. Naim, you are here for the first time, but you were already in the Telegram channel. So this will be one scenario like here, and then go up. Second scenario will be it go up, reject, and then give the breakdown of this triangle pattern. So crude is already moving up, and if we see, there is a chance that it will come to test 6500, and the silver is starting to reject from this. Let me see on the 5-minute time frame. So 5 minute is also showing that it will come down. Perfect. कहाँ से हो नईम आप? Where are you from? Hindi, English, which language will be comfortable for you? So wait for a few minutes. Let this silver, maybe it can be coming to retest this 13 EMA and this trend line. Even in the silver mini, both rejected from the same level that we had marked earlier. So wait and watch for the silver. There will be chance that we will get the sell trade in silver as well. I think in crude we can also take one counter trade for the sell to test 6443 and 6412. Let's wait and watch for proper. Even if we go in 5-minute time frame, so here 5-minute time frame is you can watch one thing like every green candle after all the red candles are not able to break the low of any green candle. Like here it broke the low of this green candle, and then it gave small retracement, and again then uptrend started. So let's see if it is coming to break this low of this હિન્દી ગુજરાતી. ઓકે, હું પણ ગુજરાતી જ છું, સો કંઈ પ્રોબ્લેમ નથી, કંઈ વાંધો નથી. हिंदी, इंग्लिश, गुजराती, इवन आई कैन स्पीक मराठी. मला मराठी आहे तो जास्त नाही. ओके, सो वेट फॉर द क्रूड के लिए वेट करो. उसको ब्रेक डाउन देने दो. क्रूड माटे वेट करजो. ये क्रूड के लिए फोरकास्ट फिबोनाची लेवल है. सेफ ट्रेड बनेगा जब ये 6464 के नीचे ब्रेक डाउन देके क्लोज करेगा कैंडल, रेड कैंडल, तभी इसमें ट्रेड बन सकता है. हाँ, खरेखर ગુજરાતમાં ક્યાંયથી તમે? બરાબર. Guys, please do hit the like button on the stream. Let's find some trade for today. Yesterday we had a good trades in most of the only I think હું actually અમદાવાદ જ છું, બટ મેઇન હું સુરેન્દ્રનગરથી છું, અને હાલ અત્યારે હું ઇટાલીમાં બેઠો છું. Yes, silver took the support, so that's why we wait for the candle to close. This is exactly in 5 minutes. If you see, it took the support from 13 EMA. So if someone wants to take the buy trade on this candle, it is a bit risky because this candle is undecisive, doji type of a candle, because buyer push and seller push both are there. So here it will be like if you want to take the trade, once it close above this high, you can take the trade till 69,880, 811, and stop loss will be low of this candle. And if it breaks the low of this candle, then you can take the trade till 69,340, and stop loss will be the high of this candle. So this candle will be, I think, pushing up as of now, and crude is still there, and copper is trying to go up, and natural gas rejected from 13 EMA as of now. Yes, Kathiawadi. Now if someone wants to take the trade, can take the trade on this live candle. It is very risky. This will be small, only small scalp. Aim for this one target here and second target this one. This is a risky trade, but be careful because stochastic RSI on 15 minutes already showing top. So this will be one target 69,811, and second will be 70,044 or 42. But it is a bit risky, and look, crude is again breaking out. So crude will CRUDE is about to test this 23.60 level. This is a bit risky trade in silver. Even I will mark in silver mini. So silver mini. So risky trade, small quick target to exit either here, or you can even exit at the high of this previous day and then aim for 70,066 in silver mini. It is a little bit risky trade. If you are entering on the live candle, then it's a risky trade. Only take the trade if you are a risky trader. And CRUDE already approached 23.60, and from here if any red candle is there, then risk reward is good to trade a kind of a retracement trade, which we will say mostly a counter trade. This could be one scenario in CRUDE. And guys, if anyone have any question, can ask me about regarding even in the stocks or regarding any index or bank nifty, finance nifty. So most of the commodities right now are at resistance. Silver is also at the same level from where it rejected. Let me put the volume. How can I remove this? Okay. So volume footprints, order footprints are as of now showing that they are in green. So यहाँ पे आपको वॉल्यूम फुटप्रिंट्स है, एक इंडिकेटर है टैप करके, तो ये अभी दिखा रहा है ग्रीन यहाँ पे अभी फ़िलहाल. मतलब यहाँ पे जो ऑर्डर एग्जीक्यूट हो रहे हैं उसमें ज़्यादातर ऑर्डर बाइंग साइड के एग्जीक्यूट हो रहे हैं. मीन्स बायर्स आर बाइंग इट एज ऑफ नाउ. Perfect. Tomorrow stock to watch, and that we will discuss by the mid session in the live stream. If we are not able to find any trade, we will discuss some stocks. But if you remember the stocks that we find, so one was Siemens, if you remember. So Siemens, actually it came till here but didn't bounce, but right now it is sitting at 61.8. Then Navin Florin was the trade, if you remember this doji candle and this 4112 level. So from here to 4250 it gave the good swing. Then Balkrishna rejected from this. Ultratech Cement breakdown below 23.60. So this 7000 level will be critical for us. If it reject from this tomorrow, then we can take the sell trade. Apollo Hospital, if you remember, if it sustain above this, there will be the quick up move. Grasim 50% came strictly down to the 61.8%. So 1762 level was a critical level for Grasim, and it rejected from that and selling came. Then Mindtree bounced from this, if we mark the down trade and this demand zone, Mindtree bounced from this, and now it is at 23.60 level. So for tomorrow 4440 level will be to watch out. If it sustain and make any bullish candle, then it will be buy trade. If it is break down and make any bearish candle, then downtrend. Adani, yes, I will take the Adani as well. आज निफ्टी बैंक निफ्टी अपने हिसाब से ही फॉल हुआ. कोरोना का जो न्यूज़ चल रहा था ना कुछ, आई थिंक उसकी वजह से ही निफ्टी बैंक निफ्टी दोनों फॉल कर दिया. मेन तो रीज़न वही है अभी कोरोना का, और तो कुछ है नहीं, क्योंकि कोरोना की वजह से हो सकता है कि इंडियन मार्केट में इफ़ेक्ट आए, और शायद इंडिया इज़ अ सेकंड पॉपुलेशन आफ्टर चाइना, कुछ ऐसा कुछ न्यूज़ में भी पढ़ रहा था थोड़ी देर पहले. तो उसमें दिखा रहा था कि शायद विद इन 3 to 4 years चाइना की 70% पॉपुलेशन कैन गेट द कोविड, and world की total 15 to 16% population can get COVID and maybe can die. So TVS Motor is at the exact this range. It came down back in the zone. That's why on the first breakout you will never go aggressive. And now for tomorrow, TVS is a make or break stock. Colpal rejected from this 1600. If Dayanand remember this level 1600, it gave the rejection and it fell down. Container Corp tried to went up, but during the market sell-off, it was also get caught in the sell-off. Delta Corporation, if you see, it gave the good downfall from this box. It was consolidating, and then if you go on 15-minute time frame, so this was the mid line. So this candle was a signal for you after the 2 p.m. sorry, after the 12, and then this target, and again here it tried to sustain, but then sudden fall. Then Lalpath Laboratory, if you remember this 61.8%, no one was expecting this gap up, so it gap up and directly moved higher. So let's see Nifty. If you see, this is my forecast Fibonacci level. So Nifty is at 78.60 level. अगर ये ब्रेक कर देता है निफ्टी, तो एक काइंड ऑफ शोल्डर हेड एंड एक शोल्डर बन के फिर नीचे आना स्टार्ट कर देगा यहाँ तक 70,400 तक भी आ सकता है निफ्टी. Okay, I will go on Delta again. Yeah, I will go on Delta 15-minute time frame. If you see, this mid line of 220 was marked yesterday. What it did, I will go on 5-minute time frame for you to easy. So this is today's first breakdown. This candle breakdown, we can keep the stop loss slightly above it, otherwise you can always wait for the retest. So the retest was still a bit sideways, and then this candle gave the breakdown, so you can enter on this candle with stop loss of this candle's high and aim for this target. So it gave the target quickly, and even it gave the breakdown of this candle. No, I was not able to trade any stock today. I was only in the Nifty Bank Nifty. It gave a very good trade. So these were the things for stocks that I had selected earlier, and right now I will just go for the crude. What is going on in crude? So crude as of now rejecting from this exit 23.60, and silver is trying to achieve the first target here 69811. Let's see if this candle can touch the small target. Airtel, Adani Enterprise. Okay, let me go for the Adani. Udarilal Enterprise. So Adani Enterprise is still bullish. It has to trade below this zone. This zone is 3833 to 3863. Once Adani starts to trade below this, then the massive selling can come. Then Airtel is at 50% zone. It gave the breakout yesterday, it gave the breakdown, and today is the kind of a open is equal to high. If you see, open is equal to high, so both are almost the same. So open is equal to high means that there is a chance that it will go down quickly. And then Pizza, Jubilant. What happened in Jubilant today? It's again the same 38.2%. It rejected from 38.2%. So that's why these levels will work. And now look at the crude. Crude 6464 is our okay, let me crude falling. Yeah, crude falling from, if you see crude falling, it is falling from the same. Now wait for this candle to close below 6464, and then we can take a small trade till 6435, and this is Fibonacci. And silver is about to hit the first target. Let me just mark so that we don't have to watch each and every time. Let's see if it can hit. So 6441 will be intermediate target, and the second one will be 6421. And yeah, now copper is coming and exactly at this zone. Let's see if it reject from here or not. Come on, push it. I think in this, no, both are still a little bit far away. Still 2 minutes, 3 minutes to go. Guys, do like the stream, do hit the like button on stream. Crude has to close below 6464 for this quick swing, but intermediate level, please mark from the chart here, it's 6443. Stochastic RSI is showing one downtrend on 15 minute, 5 minute I think it's already, yeah, 5 minute is also showing one down move, and 13 EMA is also there on 5 minute time frame. But we will go with the levels. 5 minutes is a little bit noisy. Come on, silver, gives this small target. How much point we can get for first? So it will be almost more than 3000 rupees profit per lot in silver normal. And here if you go, it will be also like 500 rupees profit per lot in silver mini. Come on, just 10 points away, 12 points away from the target. And crude sustaining. Copper looks interesting to short if it failed to trade above this zone. कॉपर में सेल ट्रेड एक बन सकता है अगर ये रिजेक्शन लिया यहाँ से, यही जोन से, तो एक सेल ट्रेड बन सकता है कॉपर में. सिल्वर जा नहीं पाया अभी तक अपने टारगेट तक. 1 मिनट. But if you take the sell trade here, your stop loss will be pretty much big. Overall position, it is W in copper. Yeah, W, but it's like a triangle as well. But we will respect the level and also the stochastic. So there is a chance that the selling can come in copper. If it failed to sustain above this, there is a chance that the selling can come in copper. Look, this is one candle which is like a seller's wick. So if you calculate, if you want to enter on the next candle, calculate your stop loss will be almost 1 rupees, which will be like 2500 rupees loss per lot, and then you can take the sell trade. So it's already closed. So let's say you are taking the sell and your target will be 1:2 almost. So this is one of the trade for copper, and crude is still sustaining above 6464. Silver almost missed by 11 points for our target, and natural gas are now claiming this 13 EMA. So there is a chance that it can come to test this trend line or 459 level. Look again, crude is again going. So when you have the levels and when you have this type of a setup, you will be able to take the entry, because what will happen, like you will just watch the red candle is forming and you will take the entry, then it will take your stop loss, or you will get frustrated when the price is just moving against you in the next candle. So here like this again in silver, because of this candle and the way it has moved, so we immediately took the trade on the live candle, and we kept the very small target as of now in silver, that 69811, only 100 points, and then the max point will be another, I think, 220 points from here, 230 points from here. And copper is rejecting, so the sell trade is as of now activated in copper. But if you are able to take 2500 rupees of loss per lot, then you can enter in copper sell trade. First target will be 714.10 and second target रहेगा आपका 713.10. And guys, do hit the like button, don't forget to hit the like button. And आपको कुछ भी सवाल हो, या if you want anything in different language, Hindi, Gujarati, Marathi, then I will try my best to speak in that language for you as well. Let's see, this is the first rejection candle, so we can enter in copper with the stop loss of 2500 rupees maximum. And in silver, this risky trade is going on from this level. As of now, let's see, it has not touched our the first partial booking level, and we have to wait for the crude to, if we forget everything here, and if we just go here, so this looks pretty simple. This is the projected levels of crude, and projected levels, so 6464 below 6464 के नीचे सेल कर सकते हैं, सेलिंग आएगा यहाँ से, एंड देन इधर से बाइंग आएगा. सो ये प्रोजेक्टेड लेवल्स है, प्रोजेक्टेड फिबोनाची लेवल्स है. इफ एनीवन हैव एनी क्वेश्चन रिगार्डिंग हाउ आई मेड दिस प्रोजेक्टेड फिबोनाची लेवल, feel free to ask. I will be helpful to explain you again in crude oil. Okay, let me open another chart for the stock pizza. Okay, I will explain you pizza. Okay, pizza is jubilant. Jubilant food work. So if Dayanand you remember, I will remove this as of now. So if you remember this Fibonacci, this downtrend that we made for that day, for this low to this high. Okay, so silver hit our first target, so one happy face here. Let's put a happy face. So first target done in silver, only 100 point we captured in silver as of now. And maybe this copper is not in the mood. Wait, Dayanand, I will explain you the pizza in a few minutes. Let me see if we can do any adjustment or add something in silver. So first target hit in silver as of now. Here also first target hit. Let's see if it can go. And for copper, wait a bit, let me see if copper we can go in short. I think so, yes, copper short is already there. Just it will, hope it will not close above this. And let me just check the volume. Yeah, so volume in the selling is there properly. Okay, So we are in this trade, and we book partial profit here. And now if you want, you can trail the stop loss to the low of this candle which gave the breakout, or maybe you can just trail the stop loss for the cost to cost. So here you will trail the stop loss cost to cost, and let's see if we can achieve this target. So I will just mark 70,044. My bad, I have to mark 70,044 if we can achieve this or not. Otherwise, at least previous day's high we can achieve this or not. Let's see. And the copper is already going in the short. For crude, I will just mark that if it's coming again at 6464. So I have kept the alert. Okay. यस नईम आई विल नईम भाई आपको मैं एक्सप्लेन कर देता हूँ कैसे ट्रेड लिया था और कैसे फिबोनाची लेवल निकाला था हमने. सो वो मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन कर देता हूँ थोड़ी देर में. फिबोनाची प्रोजेक्शन ये कैसे निकला मैं पहले मैं एक बार इनको समझा देता हूँ. So Dayanand, if you already remember this thing of Fibonacci, if I move this, so from this to this bottom we had made this okay, crude is going to give the breakdown. Let's wait and watch. Wait and watch for this candle to close. Okay. Still not able to close below this. So if you remember, Dayanand, this we marked. If I would just remove this. So if you remember, we marked this downtrend, and we told, like, there is a chance that it can come till 50% or 61% as well to retrace. So what happened in the day? Let's see. So this come rejected from 38.2 next day again, and now today also it came here and rejected. So now you have only these two levels. One is 518.50 zone, and your second zone is and the breakdown, if it start to trade below this, then there is this swing, and this swing will be your target, and ultimate target will be 510 in Jubilant Food. But if it start to make a bullish candle, then from here it will be buy trade till 520, 524 and 526 for intraday. And if it trades between this high to this low, better to not take any random trade from this. So you have to mark 518. You can mark a 518 zone to take a buy or sell from this zone only. Below this it will be one swing of 4 to 5 points, and below 513 it can reach till 509.60. So this will be your Jubilant. Hope you understand. And above this high, there is a high probability that short covering will come in Jubilant Food. So why only that zone? So if you see on 15-minute time frame, most of the thing it's stuck in this zone only. So we take this high, and we can also take the low of this candle as well. But since during the last session it made the new low, so I'm taking that low. So this was a bearish engulfing candle, and then this was a one candle which kind of a undecisive candle, because wick is almost the same on both the side, but the bears were in the grip, and that's why I took this much of a zone. There is no particular theory of it, but this is just from my experience that I am taking this last second session range. So in second session after 1:30 it met this high and it met this low. So this is afternoon session trading range, so I'm taking that range to consider it for the tomorrow. If it is trading in this range, then I will prefer to avoid this, and if it is trading below this range, and then I will mark 518.60 or 50 level to watch out. From here, if it makes any price action on the bullish side, then I will take the bullish trade, and if it is making any bearish side pattern, then I will take the bearish trade. Hope you, yes, after 12 p.m. it is actually 13, this range, if you see, it's this range 13:30, like 1:30 p.m. because here if you go, it's pretty much big range, this one. So why to avoid? And this will also, this is also coming with our 526 level from where it was rejecting. So that's why I'm taking not this level but the high of this candle. If price sustain above this, there is a chance that it can try to go up, and if price sustain below this but reject from this 518 level and takes the support, then there is a chance that it will reverse. Now hope I answer your question. Still you have any doubt, you can ask. एंड किसी को कुछ डाउट है, किसी को कुछ पूछना है तो पूछ सकते हो. सो अभी अपने पास दो ट्रेड ही चल रहे हैं, एक ये सिल्वर का चल रहा है और एक ये कॉपर शॉर्ट चल रहा है. नेचुरल गैस में देख लेते हैं. नेचुरल गैस अभी यहाँ ट्रेंड लाइन पे आ चुका है, देखते हैं क्या कर रहा है यहाँ से. एंड एल्यूमिनियम फ्लिप जोन पे बैठा है, यहाँ से बाउंस भी दे सकता है एंड यहाँ से डाउन मूव भी दे सकता है. सो अभी मैं नईम जी को एक्सप्लेन कर देता हूँ क्या कैसे करना है. फिबोनाची, why the fall after breakout, in which, in stock or in crude, why the fall? This is not a breakout now. If you see the candle, so the candle is having this rejection, so that's why it is having the fall in copper. So this is a fake breakout. You cannot, the candle is saying that you have the selling pressure as of now, so buyers are still there because the fall of candle is going very slow in the selling side. In pizza, why the fall after the breakout? This is a gap up opening now. This is gap up opening, and if you see on 15-minute time frame, this was the breakout level, which was your, if you go, which was your 38.2%. so this is a retracement for your downtrend, and that's why it came down, if you remember our earlier talk. And in the meantime, crude gave the closing below this. So let's see if now it's able to sustain above 6464 or not, then we can again take the short, we can take the short trade in crude. Copper is still there. Hope I get your point clearly, right? Why the fall after breakout? So whenever I will show you one example of like if price, this is your, let's say, from bottom to high for the uptrend, so price will come down to retrace because the trend is up. So maybe it will jump from either 32, or maybe it jump from 50, or maybe it will jump from 61.8. This is the main 50 and 60. This zone is kind of a golden ratio in Fibonacci, that there is high probability of jump from this level in any stock or any commodity or any index. So if you consider this thing for the downtrend, so for the downtrend what we do, we generally do from top to bottom. So let's say your stock move, this is the downtrend, so there is a probability that it will retrace till 23 and go down. There is a probability that it will retrace to 32 point and go down 50% and go down, and 60. So if it is coming till 61.8% and then going down, then it will be strong. But once it start to trade above 61.8, so there is a more chance that the stock the downtrend will be now changing into the uptrend. But as far as it is below 61.8%, there is a probability of chance that all the up moves are like a retracement move from the trend only. Hope you got my point now. And I will also take your PFC in a minute. Let me explain this to Naeem. Naeem, are you there? Let me know if you are there in नईम भाई, अगर आप साथ में हो यहाँ पे लाइव पे, तो जस्ट एक कमेंट करके बता दीजिए चैट में. Okay, you are there. So I will show first how this Fibonacci retracement will work. So if you go to, अगर आप यहाँ पे जाएंगे, सॉरी यहाँ पे जाएंगे, तो यहाँ पे फिब रिट्रेसमेंट करके एक टूल है. तो मैंने कल क्या किया था, जो इसका जो लो है वहाँ पे एक मार्क किया, और कल जो इसने हाई बनाया था उसके ऊपर मैंने मार्क किया. तो इसका हाई था, अगर आप यहाँ पे एच देखोगे, सो एच आ रहा है 6371 का, तो अपना 0% आ गया 6371 का. एंड इसका जो एल है, लो देखेंगे, वो आ रहा है 6168 का. सॉरी, लो जो है यहाँ पे आएगा, यहाँ से, क्योंकि ये लो इसने ब्रेक नहीं किया, तो लोअर. ओके चलो, सिल्वर में भी, सॉरी कहाँ पे आया सिल्वर, अच्छा सिल्वर ने ये हाई भी अपना ब्रेक कर दिया है. तो सिल्वर का ट्रेड अभी चल रहा है, देखते हैं अभी यहाँ पे क्या करेगा. तो सिल्वर का टारगेट भी अचीव हो चुका है, 1 2. ये यहाँ पे प्रॉफिट बुक कर दीजिए आप, क्योंकि प्रीवियस डे का हाई था. सो बेटर है प्रॉफिट बुक करके निकलना पड़ेगा यहाँ से. अभी इसका एक्सपेक्टेशन है, काफ़ी स्ट्रेच हो चुका है स्टोकेस्टिक RSI, सो रिट्रेसमेंट शुड कम, सो बेटर है बुक प्रॉफिट. सो better to book profit here and let it fly till 70,000, and then we will enter once again in buy trade once it retraced till previous day high, or this 23.60. Okay, so if you mark, the low is 6016, sorry 6106. And now what I will do, let me remove this and I will just extend the length. मैं इसका length just extend कर देता हूँ. तो नईम जी, आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो, you can watch here, this was your up move. It came here trying to bounce, came here from 50, tried to bounce, but it came here from 60 and it bounced. And now what you have to do, you have to just, आपको क्या करना है, बस इसके ऊपर अगर प्राइस निकल गया एक बार, तो आपको बस सिर्फ लो के आसपास मूव करते जाना है, उठा के सीधा लो के आसपास मूव करते जाना है. और ये रहा आपका लो. सॉरी, मैंने वापस गलती कर दी. सपोज ये जो है ना, मैंने कहाँ से लिया था, मैं देख लेता हूँ एक बार, शायद ये लो था मेरा. हाँ ओके, ठीक है. ये अगर आप फिबोनाची देखोगे, तो मैंने इसके लो के नीचे लगाया था 6124 से लेके 6371 यहाँ तक. ये फिबोनाची लेवल था, ये एक अप ट्रेंड जा रहा था, तो ये अप ट्रेंड के साथ यहाँ 61.8% पे आके रिट्रेस करके वापस ऊपर चला गया. अगर आपको पता रहेगा, जैसे अभी मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया था कि फिबोनाची में 61.8% से बाउंस का चांसेस ज़्यादा है, 50% से भी ज़्यादा है. अगर इसके नीचे प्राइस निकल जाता तो ये अप ट्रेंड शायद डाउन ट्रेंड में चला जाता। तो इंट्राडे के लिए मैंने रिसेंट अप ट्रेंड कल कल अगर आप देखोगे तो ऐसा चार्ट था इसका। तो मुझे इसमें ये लो से यहाँ हाई का ए अप ट्रेंड दिखा मुझे, एंड देन फिर जब 60% के ऊपर चला गया प्राइस, सपोज 61 से ऊपर चला गया और ये फिबोनाची का ऊपर का जो लेवल है उसके ऊपर भी चला गया, तो इसमें क्या करते जाना है, सिर्फ आपको इसको मूव करना है नेक्स्ट जो लो स्विंग है उसके ऊपर। तो इसका लो स्विंग था 6207। सो अभी इसको क्लिक करके अप या डाउन एरो दबाना है, अप या यू हैव टू प्रेस अप और डाउन एरो, एंड देन you will be keep on shifting this, and the price again came above this. So what I will do, I will just move this to here. This low is 6311, so our low is 6311, and now we will just wait and watch. So this is how I took this swing low. This is how I took this Fibonacci extension, like how you can just forecast the Fibonacci. होप नईम जी आपको ये समझ में आ गया रहेगा। और सिल्वर इज़ गोइंग अप इन द मीन टाइम, एंड दिस इज़ मेकिंग रिवर्सल, so maybe we will get trap in this. So I will be still keeping the stop loss at the same level, because if it takes my stop loss, then it will only reduce my profit from this silver trade, because I capture 100 point here and I booked some profit at this high. I already kept the order to exit from 3 lot of silver mini, and I already exit from this silver future here. I had a 2 lot, one I booked here and second I booked here, and one trade is still going on. It is at cost to cost now. नईम जी अगर आपको समझ में आ गया रहेगा तो प्लीज़ ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच. So now wait, if this candle is sustaining below 6464, then there will be short trade for only small scalp till 6435 in crude. And at 6442 there is this how do you say this 13 EMA. And if crude comes till 61.8%, then we have to judge the price action, because from 61.8% it can again bounce back. So we have one short. If this candle sustain below 6464, then we can take the short trade with the stop loss of this candle's high, which is right now going on. This candle is still live, so it will take still 5 minutes to give us the signal. And copper अभी भी रिजेक्शन ही ले रहा है. Copper is not able to go above. It's still rejecting from 715.45. So copper में भी सेल ट्रेड मेरा चल रहा है. सिल्वर नॉर्मल में मेरा बाय ट्रेड कंप्लीट हो चुका है. यहाँ तक ये बोनस टारगेट है. दिस इज़ अ बोनस टारगेट इन सिल्वर 70,044. एंड सिल्वर मिनी में मैंने पार्शियल क्वांटिटी बुक कर दिया है प्रीवियस डे के हाई के आसपास. एंड लेट्स सी इफ दिस सिल्वर मिनी कैन अचीव माय रिमेनिंग पोजीशन टिल 70,050 और 58. So right now I have only partial quantity active in silver mini. Silver is totally booked, and this copper is going on. Copper sell trade is going on, and now waiting for this candle to watch for crude short trade. Okay, now देखते हैं PFC. So PFC just Power Finance Corporation. If we go on one day time frame, and let's forget everything about this thing. So what do you see? I see one uptrend from this swing low to this, and then what if I'm just moving this thing as of now, and it is even going further up. So this was the projected Fibonacci. Even let's say if I keep this thing on the red, no, it's still going up. So this is just this small Fibonacci will help you only for the short term. So here you will see it has given the breakdown of 61.8% in PFC. So there will be chance that it will come to test 135.75 and 132.25, or maybe if it tomorrow level that you have to watch out is this one 138.50 level. So you have to watch out 138.50. Then if you are here with the live session, then you can watch. So you have to watch out for this level 61.8% of this projected Fibonacci. If tomorrow PFC making a bullish candle from 138.50, then it will be buy trade. You can mark this swing and this 50% as your target. So this swing is coming at 139.80 and 140.45 will be your target for upside. But if it is making a bearish candle from 138.50, then you can take the sell entry. First target will be the day's low and the second target will be your 135.75, and from 135.75, if it is making bullish candle, then it will be your buy trade. Then if you see the swing, this candle swing will be your target to book partial profit, which is 137.35. So here you will get like 1.50 something point of a target in PFC. So these two level to watch out for you in PFC for intraday, 135.75 and 138.50. So you can mark this thing. I will also share you on your Telegram. I will message this chart to you on Telegram. Okay, Naim, goodbye. See you tomorrow. I just shared you PFC chart on your Telegram in personal message. And if you want jubilant food, here is your jubilant food. I said you both the charts on your Telegram, and you were asking for Airtel, and this chart Airtel I will also share it with you, so you can keep track on it. Okay, so far yeah, it's still facing resistance from 715, and yeah, look at the crude, wait for the candle. We can see the sellers are now active. 1 2 3 3 candles rejections are there in crude oil as of now. So wait and watch for the crude oil. Silver I exited here, and this now I will put it, I want to give small stop loss, just a little bit, but chances are that it will take my stop loss for the remaining partial position. On 5 minute, 5 minute it is showing that one dip will come for sure in crude. So if someone wants to take the trade on the sell side, then it will be quick scalping trade only. It is against the trend of the crude as of now, because here 6435 is there, and intermediate level 6443 is also there as per the chart and level. Bajaj Finance for sure, I will show you the Bajaj Finance. Bajaj Fine. So Bajaj Finance, if you remember this zone, this zone of 6654 to 6681, this zone has to be clear out to go upside for any upside momentum. Otherwise it is still have the chance to go down and fill this pretty much of a gap, and again come to test this breakout that it gave, So there will be, if I mark this gap now, so there will be chance that it will be trading and stuck between this. Otherwise from here itself it has a chance to bounce up. And if I extend this gap on the left side, you will see it is at a critical level range as of now. Bajaj Finance, it is at critical level, and from here anything can happen. Either it can jump or it can go down. For you, are you talking for the, do you want the setup for the intraday, or like you are asking for a portfolio swing trade? So Bajaj Finance below this zone, it will have more chance of sell on rise now, and above this zone it will be buy trade till 6817. And let me go to on 1 hour time frame. So if I mark only from this swing to this swing low, so this is for the downtrend, so this is 1 hour. I just take only this much of level from this to, or else you can also take the rejection, the downtrend started from here as well, you can take it, but I would like to take from here because this was my level, and above that it made the 2 week rejection, 2 times rejected from that level. So you will see for tomorrow you will have these 2 level range, 38.2, 23.6, these levels to watch out for tomorrow. And today it went till 61.8 but failed to sustain above it, and then the selling started. It was holding this 50% on 1 hour time frame pretty much, but it couldn't hold it for the longer, and once it gave the breakdown, so it was clear cut, it reached till 23.6. And now let me turn the chart on 15-minute. So this is on 15-minute time frame for Bajaj Finance. So you will have again the same 50% level, 38.2, 23.6, and this level. So these are the levels that you have to keep a mark on. If it trades around here and makes the bullish candle, then better to wait till 6525 to take out, because you will see that the price will get stuck inside this range. So if it trades above 6525 and sustain above this and make the bullish candle, then 6564 will be your immediate target to watch out for in Bajaj Finance. Like price trade above, then here, and above this if it sustain, then you can take the target of this bounce. So this bounce is coming at 6596. So 30 points of bounce you can expect from 6564. Sure, I will share this chart with you on Telegram. So this is the chart that you can watch out. I will convert it on 1 hour and I will share it with you so that you can see the proper picture of it. Look, crude is starting to bounce again. I just shared the chart with you, Dayanand, on your Telegram. And guys, if anyone wants to ask me personal question, I will just link my contact, Telegram personal contact, so that you can even directly ask me. I will just ping the, I have just I just pin my Telegram personal contact. You can directly contact me there. Yeah, look, now it is going to how to say, scare the seller who are here. And copper is yeah, copper is still at 715.45. If it fail for again, then there is a rejection that it will take it down. And now silver is in the selling mode. Silver wants to, not a selling mode, but we can say it is in the retracement mode, that it should had that it has to do it earlier, but now it is doing for a retracement. So this trade is already over for us, so I will remove it. And here I have just kept the stop loss on little bit points below, 62 points below my entry. So I will remove this as of now. You can keep it if you want. I don't want to exit as of now in my remaining position in silver mini. Yeah, so now crude wants to go up. And what happened to natural gas? Yeah, natural gas rejected. Why levels are not there? Guys, do hit the like button on the video. So you will watch all the levels of these lines here on the right side in the black font. Sorry, the black highlighted are the levels here. So now it has to cross down below 455.6 for the any further downside. And crude oil trying to play with sellers as of now. If one candle close above 6484, then the bounce will continue in crude oil, and it is still above 13 EMA. So if the retracement will come here, because it is at 23.60, and if I just aim for this much of swing Fibonacci, so one retracement can come max to max till 642 and 715. So we have two levels as of now. One is 715 and one is 642. So let's see till what level it can come. 69715, 69715. This was what level? 69642. Let's see, for silver these are the level that it has to. And the natural gas is a little bit of sideways to volatile, so I'm not preferring to trade the natural gas. Copper is still at the 715.45 range. Let's see, if crude closes above 6484, then there will be the chance of up move. Guys, anyone have any question or any doubt, feel free to ask. Are you in any trade, or you get stuck in any trade in even any stock or index? Feel free to ask. So 5 minutes it's still showing it is having the sellers tomorrow expiry. Yeah, tomorrow expiry. Maybe I will try to come live if I can during the day, or maybe in the second half. Silver is still holding. NG I will prefer to avoid it. Let's not trade the NG. Come on guys, only 5 likes. Reach it till 10 likes. NG I will prefer to avoid it. NG I will prefer to avoid it. No matter wherever it goes, but it is pretty much volatile. So let it make the proper price action for 1 or 2 days between these two zone. Because if you go in the past, so let's say for 2 days, almost 2 days, it was spending time in this range. And even in the past history, this was the critical support. So this 470 range, this will become your resistance. So I will prefer personally to avoid NG. NG expiry is tomorrow. Okay. But I think option are expiring tomorrow for NG, right? Or future contract is expiring. Let me check. Yeah, futures are expiring on 27th, but option are expiring. Natural gas. I think options are expiring tomorrow. No, options are expiring on 23rd in natural gas. So no, expiry is not tomorrow for natural gas. Expiry is on option 23rd, and for future it is 27. And crude again, same thing, same story. Still rejection going on this 15-minute time frame. Now I would like to take the can we take the sell trade in crude? No. For US natural gas, I'm not trading in US natural gas. But for Nifty Bank Nifty, sorry, for us, trade not allowed for us on 23rd. Yeah, true. So better avoid natural gas. I'm feeling one retracement should come in crude. Let me see my stop loss hit. Not yet. About to take my stop loss. Yeah, option will be critical to trade in NG now. Footprints are still, and let me check the volume in crude. Again going to tease this seller which are between this 6484 to 6514 level range. So then, and this is the one thing, like if you see the double top, but if you see the 13 EMA, price is above 13 EMA, so there will be very less probability of a down move until and unless the this thing will candle will close below 13 EMA. Once it start to close below 13 EMA, then this setup will be beautiful for you to trade. But these sellers are not giving up as of now. Looks like 6484 seller are strong. So 6484 sellers are keep on trying their best to keep it rejection. Look at the rejection: 1 rejection, 2 rejection, 3, 4, 5, and now the 6th rejection is going on. So anyhow, if one candle just close above 6490 or 6484, then all this seller will come in panic. And looks like copper will take my stop loss very soon. For the crude no trade, it is total sideways. Yeah, look, silver is coming down now. So we have these two level. If it retraces from these two level 642 or 715, we will have another entry in silver. So here it took, my stop loss is here at 69604. Let's see if it took my stop loss for remaining. I revised my stop loss till 69604 in silver. And look, now this is interesting in copper. Maybe it will make the double top, but we will wait for the double top and the rejection candle here, and then you can enter in copper sell again if you missed to sell it with me here. Look at the low of this candle as of now 713. Our retracement was 715. How this come? Why ऐसा कैसे हुआ? ऐसे कैसे हो गया? Because of this. This is recent only uptrend that we marked the low and the top of high. So this is how you take the retracement, but we will not enter on this candle. Let's wait for this candle to close or sustain somewhere. Again, this 6484 seller are not giving up in crude. And here again copper is below 715.45, so my stop loss is not triggered yet. So I would like to take a little bit of risk, and I would like to revise the stop loss till here. And my target, yeah, 1:1.8 is fair enough for me. So now if it goes below 6464, then I would like to take one more risk to short the crude. One risky trade is already going on in copper. Silver, I think it will take my trailing stop loss now. Let's see 642 if it sustain or not. So first it tried to sustain and take the support from 715 zone, but didn't respect it again, and then it came down. This was the level which we marked on a breakout. This was our cost price that we marked, where I took the trade and I exited here and here 2 lot. Let's see. So this is the level 642 to 715. If it start to trade below this, then we can think about sell trade, short trade in silver. And here for crude we will wait for 6464. Seller are doing their best from 6484 as of now. So silver took my stop loss here for the remaining position, so I will be not taking any position, so I will wait for it. So I booked partial profit, and for the partial it took my trailing stop loss. Okay, so crude started to give closing below 6464. Copper is again back in profit. Look again, it is coming above 715. It came till 13 EMA and it came above 715. And this guy is holding 6465. Yeah, that's it. In the meantime, let's check some stocks. I will remove all these stocks from my intraday top pick. And what I will do, I will go to my FNO list. I will filter it with like the volume. So volume high to the low. So first volume high is this one, Tata Steel, and I will go on 1 day time frame. So Tata Steel already gave the breakout close above. So from this to this uptrend, it was this uptrend. So I made the Fibonacci here. What I will do, I will try to move for this swing low. Still the price is little bit above it, so I will try to make little bit swing here, and I will see if this works or this swing will work. Which one is more? Volume. Volume on crude or okay, here. So like in this trading view, here you can add multiple things. Like if you go on this three dot, you can select the volume here. So what I will do, I have this FNO list. I can filter it like the name from A to Z or Z to A, but I want like I want the highest volume first. So like I will just click with the highest volume to the lowest volume. So if you see 154 million shares traded, 32 million shares traded, and in the meantime this guy is going below 6464, and this is like from the highest to the lowest. So what will happen, like this stocks have the more hands exchanged today in it, so there will be the chance that the follow-up day there will be again the more hands exchange will become a good thing as a volatile stock to do in the intraday trading. That's why what I will do, I have this FNO list today, and after the day end I will just filter it and arrange it with highest volume to the lowest volume. So Punjab National Bank, it's not good to trade this Punjab National Bank for intraday. I will avoid that, even though it is a, if it gives the good moves, but I will not personally not trade Punjab National Bank. So as of now what I did, I hope you get the point about volume, Dayanand. Here you can, if your trading view is not showing you, you can activate that volume from here. With this three dot in your list, you can put the volume here. Copper is going down, silver is still here, and crude is taking support from 13 EMA. Give me a minute, let me drink water. Yeah, so let's see if we can sort the crude trade now. Copper is not moving much. Maybe I will exit with little profit soon. Why it is changed? Look, NG is still volatile. Aluminum is going below flip zone now. So any up move till the flip zone, any rejection from flip zone will be good selling opportunity for aluminum. Yeah, this is for gold. So let me shift this thing till here. It achieved the today's target. And where can I put? This doesn't look good, but yeah, I can put it here for this swing low. Okay, this is for gold. If anyone is trading in gold, this is for gold 61.8. So there is a chance that it will bounce from 55,003, and this candle made low of 55,002 as of now. Yeah, crude is not willing to close below 6464 as of now. So this is if you see, this is clear range 6485. I can make 6485 to 64. What is the low of this candle? 6454. So wait for a crude to come out from any either side of the range to take the trade. Otherwise you will be just giving the time decay in any of the crude option, because the price is sideways since long time. Maybe they will, today is I think inventory data crude. So economic calendar, we go in economic calendar in investing.com, and then we go, if someone remember, अगर आपको पता है कैसे इकोनॉमिक कैलेंडर लाना है, और इसमें यहाँ पे ट्रेडिंग इन्वेस्टिंग में जाके अगर आप investing.com पे जाएंगे एंड देन यहाँ पे आपको इकोनॉमिक कैलेंडर मिल जाएगा. So you can click on economic calendar from investing.com. Then it will start, and then we can go to the filter, and here you select the USA and select this, how much important events are there. So more 2-star event is like moderate important, and 3-star are like pretty much important, and then you can apply, and then it will give you the filtered event, filtered, how to say, the filters event. So it will give you the, these are the events. So current account, this is not too much. Consumer confidence data will be there, so it is coming in 46 minutes. Then crude inventory data will come at 10:30. Oh, okay, so it will come very late today, huh? Right now is 9:13, and it will come at 10:30. So almost 1 hour is there. So maybe at our 9 o'clock this data will be out, crude inventory. So forecast is negative. So negative means that they are already expecting that price will go up, because the inventory is in negative, means demand is there. But we never know that this up move in crude has already factored in this data. So we have to wait and watch for the price action after this data comes out. So what we can do, like if you are in any trade before 9 p.m. in crude, you have to exit with profit or loss, whatever you are getting. Or you can buy one call and one put at the same strike near this ATM, and once the data is out, then you will get profit in either side of the move. So this is the one thing that you can do before this data comes out, like buy same strike, call and put ATM option, like it is now at 6470. So you can buy 6500 call and put, or you can buy 6500 call, or you can buy 6500 put and 6400 call in the money, and then whichever the side moves comes, then it will give you the momentum on that side. So this is good sign that it retraced till 69642 at the same Fibonacci level that we take out, and now it is exactly at 69715. So what should be the signal? Shall we enter or no? Guys, try to give you the answer, like do you want to take the trade from this level, yes or no? And if possible, then what can you do for your stop loss in silver? My trade is still going on in the copper, not moving much as of now, getting bored. It has to at least break this 13 EMA. Can we take the buy trade in silver from here? Yes, no, yes, then why? No, then why? And what could be the setup for silver for a safe trader? Or we can wait for the follow-up candle to close. As of now it retraces. this candle retraced till 69642, which was our level to watch out. Finally copper is giving some more profit. Crude is total sideways. I think this move is already perfect. Yes, let's wait for this candle to close, because this is a red candle we can jump into, but the next candle is not giving the follow-up sign of buying. And in 5-minute time frame we can see that these candles are now started to close below 13 EMA. So this is the last hope for this candle to sustain 13 EMA. Once this candle close below this, again one selling will come, and for this much of a plan, so this is another level that we have to watch, 61.8, which is 69569. Sorry, 69566. Let's see what can good. Should I book the profit now or no? Only giving 1.30 points in copper as of now. Let it wait till this level. This level is 713.55. I don't want to wait till this level, 713. I will book the profit in copper at 713.55. Wait a minute, let me put the order in my. Okay, let's see if it will achieve the target or not. I will move this as a 1:1.5 only, not expecting more, and now stop loss is at. I will put the stop loss on cost to cost. I know it will give the big fall if it is giving the breakdown. But I will not chase the live candle now for this down move if it is breaking out. And yeah, aluminum, let me check aluminum. Aluminum is falling down. Wait for don't catch this falling knife or don't catch this falling train as well. If it bounce here, you judge the price action. Rejecting, then you can take the trade, because from here if you go with the live trade, then your stop loss will be here somewhere, which is the same flip zone. So it gave the breakdown, it is keep on going down, so one retracement is there, and then from there you can take the sell trade for the aluminum, and this 207.75 will be your target. Crude is again stuck in the same zone. Natural gas, what is it doing? Look at the volatility in natural gas. What a candle. Aluminum, buy after double top or double bottom? Aluminum, I will suggest not to buy. You can buy, but that buy trade will be like a retracement, which will come to retrace till 13 EMA. So overall you trend see it is making lower highs, and now it started to make lower low. So if you want to buy, so you can consider the buy trade as your retracement trade. So your resistance zone in aluminum, resistance zone now will be this flip zone in aluminum, and the first resistance will be your 13 EMA. and from 13 EMA, if it's sustain above this and sustain above flip zone, then again it will come to test 200 EMA and this level of 209.50, and maximum will be 209.95. But as of now, if you're willing to buy it, you can consider the buy trade as a counter trade, which is like a retracement move, same like Jubilant Food that I explained you. And if I have to show you the downtrend for just a recent move, so let me first make this move, and I will mark it with a different color, red, and then let me keep on moving it. So 207.60 is one level to watch out for. And even if you further make it for this swing, so it is at 23.60 level. So this is for your aluminum. So if it is retrace, then 208.55, 208.90, this will be your kind of upside trade in a retracement move. And then if reject from this level or 61.8 level again, then there will be the downfall till 207.40. So 208.10 is even my level, and also it is showing the same level at Fibonacci. So you can mark these levels. I will also share it with you then, and if you want without any I will share the chart with chat box, so you can open from the link directly. I just share it in the chat box, so you can open. Sorry guys, I was speaking alone and I didn't notice. Let me explain you aluminum again. My microphone was on mute. I didn't notice it. So this is a flip level. I just posted this chart in chat box, so you can open this chart from the link. And this 208.10 is a level to watch out. From here the retracement will come till this flip zone. Even the double bottom is forming, and once it start to sustain above this this flip zone, then there is a chance of reversal in aluminum. And if it rejects from 60%, 61% or 50%, then there is a chance of again continuation in the downtrend. So if you want to play the buy trade, be careful that you have to book the profit everywhere on this retracement or 13 EMA. So your buy trade will be just as a retracement trade, so you have to consider it as a counter trade. You don't need to push it like it will give you total reversal. Total reversal will come only once it's sustainable flip zone and then gives the breakout of 61.8. So keep an eye on aluminum if you want to trade reversal trade as a counter trade in aluminum. But you will be peaceful if you and if you want to take the sell trade, then rejection from this you can take the sell trade. Natural gas avoiding. Copper again missed by few points for me to book the profit, so I have trailed the stop loss to cost, and crude is still in the same position in the box. And maybe in In 3.5 minutes US market will open, and look at this rejection. Look at the buyer wick in silver. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6, and now this is 7th candle. First candle, second candle. Sorry, this is the first candle, second candle, third, 4, 5, 6, and this is the 7th candle in the same zone, giving closing in the same zone. Let's see what it can do now. Crude. How many of you thinks that crude will go up? क्या ये मेरा ट्रेलिंग स्टॉप लॉस भी लेके चला जाएगा? Guys, give me a few minutes, I will be back. Yeah guys, so I'm back. Okay, so crude is still in the yellow zone. Nothing is moving in the crude. Copper came down but again bouncing. It did the closing below this, almost reaching near my target but not giving me the target. So I would like to exit on cost to cost, and silver is still in the bullish mode as of now. Silver, no, not ready yet in silver. So breakout, retest, and then again. Yeah, silver still not trade. Crude still not trade. This is, I will exit on cost to cost if it take my stop loss in copper. Crude exactly at the seller area. Let's see if the buyer can push out the seller, or the seller will come again to bang it. Let's see what is happening in aluminum. Aluminum again trying to bounce but still not proper trade. Aluminum I'm avoiding. Gold bouncing from the 50% retracement, going up. Next target 55180 to watch out for in gold. Crude wants to go down. Let's see what it can do, but it is about to make a double bottom over 40%, then bounce. Let's see what it can do in coming 5 minutes. Let's see. Crude 6464 below, then it will be sell trade in crude. Volume is rising. Order footprints started to go in negative just now. We need closing below 13 EMA. If you watch, where is 13 EMA? 13 EMA is 6460. So wait and watch. Everything is just moving up and down sideways. And let's see where is the Dow Jones. Dow Jones. Oh, 300 points up. Finally, it is about 33,033. Wow. Let's see if it can break this 33,280. Can the crude gives the breakdown? Copper is still here and there. Crude is still in the yellow zone. Today is a day of looks like doing nothing. Nothing much as of now in crude. If it breaks 6464, then I will be interested to take the sell trade. But stop loss will be a little bit bigger till the high of this candle, which is 6492. On 5-minute time frame, crude is already down. Let's see whichever side it gives the closing. Crude is stuck in the same zone. Silver is also not giving any fresh trade. Copper might take my trailing stop loss, and Dow Jones is up. Yeah, in the meantime, let's find out some FNO stocks for tomorrow. If anyone have any question regarding stocks related, feel free to ask for the stocks. If anyone have any question related to stocks, can ask me for the stocks. Again, the crude is in the same zone. Crude is doing nothing as of now. Silver trying to sustain above 811 on 5-minute time frame. Yeah, it is trying to go up, but this is a kind of a 50-50% chance in silver as of now. Finally, one candle with buyer's wick below 13 EMA in copper. Natural gas keep on rejecting, but it's very volatile, big range. नेचुरल गैस बड़ी रेंज में ही है अभी. ये कैंडल का हाई, ये कैंडल का लो. जब तक ये रेंज से बाहर नहीं निकलेगा मोमेंटम अच्छा नहीं मिलेगा अभी नेचुरल गैस में, क्योंकि ये काफ़ी वॉलेटाइल एक कैंडल बन चुकी है. सो बेटर है वेट एंड वॉच इन नेचुरल गैस. Only my personal one sell trade is going on in copper with my stop loss now at cost to cost. My target is only this much, so 2 times it missed by few points. Otherwise I will exit on the cost to cost stop loss. Crude has to come out from this range, otherwise at least it has to come down below 6464 for a down move, but safe trade will be only if it comes below this box, or if comes above this box and give the candle closing. and at 9 p.m. there is a data. There is a data of crude inventory data will be out tonight at 9 p.m. After maybe 45 minutes, the data will out for the crude. Okay, so I exited from my copper now. It took my cost to cost stop loss. So no profit, no loss in copper as of now. So consumer confidence data will come in 10 minutes. I think this will affect the commodity of gold and silver as far as I know in a fundamental way. I don't have the strong fundamental, but it will be affecting let's read confidence measure level of consumer confidence economic activity is leading indicator as it can predict the consumer spending, which plays a major role in economic activity. Higher reading points to higher consumer optimism. Higher than expected reading should be taken as a positive or bullish for the US dollar, while the lower expected reading taken as a negative or bearish for the US dollar. Okay, so right now it already came. No, it will come at it is expected at 101. If it is coming more than 101, so US dollar will jump up and the commodity market will go down. So let's see what comes in 10 minutes. We will keep it on radar. If anyone have any question or doubt, feel free to ask. In the meantime, we will just wait for 10 more minutes. Maybe this data of consumer confidence will affect silver and gold price, and crude will have the inventory data at 9 o'clock 9 p.m. So there will be chance that something will happen in crude after that data will come out. As of now, it is trading just in the zone of 6453 to 6486, something like that. Let's see, just wait and watch. Yeah, there is one more update that my trailing stop loss on cost to cost in copper has been taken out. So let's see silver better to avoid as of now, silver and gold. Let's see what is gold doing as of now. So gold is trying to sustain above, it retraced till 50%, even 61.8% and going up. There is a chance that 55,180 it will touch, but wait for 7 more minutes. I think this consumer data, consumer confidence data might affect. So far today's trade, if we see, earlier I traded this up move when I was not live till this, and then I'm still waiting for any further proper move in crude. I traded this copper, but I exited on cost to cost. It was missed my target by only, I think, 0.20 paisa. It missed my target and it took out my stop loss. Then I traded silver from 69,680 to one target was here, and one target I booked here. So both this target I booked in silver, and in silver mini I booked one target here, and for the remaining it took my trailing stop loss. Let's see, wait and watch. So anyone have any question or doubt regarding stocks or index, feel free to ask. Just wait and watch game as of now going on everywhere. Silver is going up. So in 3 minutes that news will come soon. Let's see, and let me put the DXY chart here. This is dollar index chart. So it will get affected with that news of consumer price confidence data. it will affect the market, commodity market. Especially I think it will affect the dollar. If dollar is increasing, then there is a chance that bullions means silver and gold will go down. So as of now we will see that there will be some exhaustion in buying in silver as well. It is not moving properly, so there is a chance that one gap up and then quick sell down. In the meantime, crude is just staying in the sideways zone, nothing special. Let's see how the price will react now. Let's see, this silver is stuck, not moving anywhere. Let's see, the news will come soon and the blast will come quickly. I think the data is out. Let me refresh. So it came at 108. So dollar will try to jump and the silver and all this will try to go down. Let's see. We will not enter on the any news candle as of now. So it came higher than the expected. So it was forecast was 101. It came at 108. So wait and watch game as of now. Let me apply volume here. Still not moving any major things from the data. Instead of this going up, it is going down. So looks like they already factored in that in this move. Let's see. And now after 30 minutes there will be the data for the crude oil inventory. So just let's wait and watch. And copper is bouncing from the 13 EMA on 15-minute time frame. So let's see if it is able to close above this our yellow zone or not. Sorry, the blue zone or not. This started to go down. Still there is no trade anywhere. Let's see now. Let's avoid. So the news didn't give any much effect on anything yet. Okay, so crude is now coming below 6464, but it's still in this box, so there is no proper trade in this box. If anyone have any question, doubt, feel free to ask. So far silver mini is still sticking around 69780, and silver is also at 23.60 level. Crude coming down and again bouncing from this zone. Let's see, even in the footprint it is showing that negative selling orders are started to build up, but it's not that much negative as of now. Let me remove this. Volume is missing. I think everyone in the crude are waiting for the crude inventory data. And copper, watch out for this. Natural gas again at that same level. If it is coming here and then makes any bullish pattern, then you can buy from this level, which is a 440 level zone. Aluminum is bouncing and now it is at 13 EMA. So if you are in buy trade, better to book the profit here and wait for the new price action. If it is sustaining above this, then the buy trade will continue. Otherwise, if it is making any rejection or bearish candle, then the sell trade will continue. Now just wait and watch for the crude. If it is closing below this, you can take the trade for 6435. But be careful, it will be just opposite side of the trade. The trend is positive, and this trade on the downside will be a counter trade. And let's check on the lower time frame. Kind of look like this, but let's see. 5-minute looks like this. Let's watch on 30-minute time frame, 15-minute time frame. So this is a critical level. From this level it was going up, and from this level it started again breakdown. So maybe it can come to test if it goes up 6516, it can come to test, because this was earlier resistance and then it becomes support, and then it gave the breakdown and it didn't come here to retest it. So from here we can take the sell trade if there is a bounce in crude oil. But as of now, just wait and watch for 4 more minutes. Otherwise I will suggest that wait for the inventory data, which is coming at 9 p.m. So wait for 20 more minutes if you want. And I can see one trade in this now. So let's see if we can find any short trade. If the candle close below this, one sell trade, I will prefer if the candle close below the low of this candle. Wait and watch, let this candle close. It is still moving in this zone up and down. It will be taking the stop loss on either side. So just wait and watch for crude. Better to wait for. We will watch the crude after 9 p.m. And copper, watch out for copper now in the zone. So it is sustainable, this a breakout. If it reject, sell trade. If even someone wants to take the sell trade in silver, mini or silver, so for silver this is one counter trade that you can play with 1:3 risk reward in silver. So let's see, I personally enter in this risky trade. And the crude is still in the same range, not going anywhere. So we will watch the crude after 9 p.m. only. Let's see. And again from the flip zone it is rejecting. 5-minute time frame making red candle. Okay, so how much point? Almost 70-80 points in profit going on. Crude, we have to wait for 15 more minutes. Let the inventory data come. I personally feel little bit bullish on crude, and now my stance for silver is little bit bearish. Safe sell below 667. 67665. Let's see where it takes. Yeah, so now crude decided to go down finally. Finally trading below 6464, but still the closing is not below 6464, so be careful in crude. Only another trade is here in silver mini. This is a risky counter trade. Safe selling will be only once it close below 665. Till then you can enter in the trade, but it will be risky. You have to wait, you have to give at least almost 180 points, 155 points of stop loss in silver mini, or if you are in silver it will be the same 155 points. And we are aiming with 1:3 risk reward now for silver. Let's see, let's wait and watch. Crude better to wait till 9 p.m. Better to wait till 9 p.m. in crude. Mm. Copper is at critical level to watch out for, either make or break for copper now. Let me arrange this one. Copper will be looking like this somehow. Let's see. Only this one trade is going on. Guys, do like the video, do like the stream. Anyone have any question or doubt, feel free to ask. One risky trade is going on for silver as of now. For crude, wait for 9 p.m. Wait for 10 more minutes for crude. Natural gas, I'm avoiding natural gas. Aluminum, look, it is now at the flip zone. So let's wait. Let's wait and watch. Only this trade is going on as of now in silver, and if it breaks 715, then it will be safe trade. It is rejecting from 23.60 level of Fibonacci. Anyone have any question or doubt? Feel free to ask. So let's wait and watch for everything. Only one trade is there in silver. I will keep the same thing here for the short trade. We can keep an aim for this one. So crude inventory will be out in 7 minutes. Copper trying best to go up. Let's see, this zone has to be taken out and then retested, then we can take the trade. But here if you want to take the short trade, you will have a small stop loss, so risk reward is good from here to take the short trade in copper. And in 5 minutes, 6 minutes, the inventory data will be out for crude. So wait and watch for everything. But most probably expecting one up move because it is sustaining the higher levels as of now since long time. Yeah, guys, sorry, I just fixed my mic. I was having some problem in with my mic. Am I audible? So this is one risky trade, which is a counter trade in silver, and now in 2 minutes we will have the, I think 1.5 minutes we will have the crude inventory data. So let's see finally which side it wants to break. This RSI is showing that it will jump now from here even on 15 minute, and if we watch on 5 minute, 5 minute is already bouncing. So far it is just hovering up and down near 13 EMA. Let's see, counter trade is going on in silver as of now, and copper we are waiting, watch what if it take the rejection or what. If it's sustain, we can go on the live candle if it goes above the high of this candle. But whenever you enter on the live candle, it is always risky to go on a live candle, because there will be chance that it will move quick up and then it will come down quickly. So exact doji type of a candle is forming in 15-minute time frame, just 40 seconds before the inventory data will come. So wait and watch for candle, because it will be fast and furious. So be careful, if you are a safe trader, better not to take the trade and just watch. But this chart on 15-minute as of now is saying that maybe one dip and one upside move is expecting. In the meantime, this trade is going on in silver short. We are waiting for copper for any type of a price action now, either this or either this. Let's see, now the news will come in 4 seconds. So it just opened above this as expected. 13 EMA, sorry, stochastic RSI saw some up move. Let's see if it is really sustainable move or rejecting move. And let's see the event in the, so crude oil inventory was expected minus 1.6 million, but it came even more than that, so it is much more negative. So the news is good for the price, so price should be bullish from here. So the things for the news is over now, and now we have to just watch the price action for any up, and we will not jump into this live candle. We will wait and watch. We will not go anywhere and jump into the live candle. It will go quickly up and it can come quickly down as well. So we will wait for the retracement of this zone. If it is going up and then coming down, then we will enter into the buy trade. I personally avoid to enter in this candle. I will wait for this candle to close before any further decision, because data is positive, but there could be chance that this market has already factored in that data and already gave the up move. So from here they will book their profit as well. And copper just came above, so any dip till here will be good buy trade. From 717.55 it will be the level to book out the profit. Silver right now running in a loss, but our SL is here. So let me put alert on the SL for silver mini. This is risky counter trade, so I take only light position. So it hit the level here. If it comes down till here and then from 6421, if we get the buying opportunity, it will be perfect to enter in buy trade. Look at the rejection, again pushing it down in the box. Copper is at 717.55. Look, wait for this candle to close on 15-minute time frame. Let it go wherever it wants to go. We will not chase this train. And maybe silver will give the stop loss. Yeah, crude drama because of the crude inventory data, and as of now it is rejecting from 711.55 in copper. Let me keep the crude drama on. Looks like there is no proper effect. Nothing much will come in the, if it again comes in the box, there is nothing to trade in crude today. And silver will take out the stop loss in our counter trade, and this is rejecting from 717.55 as of now. Let's watch and watch. In the meantime, let's listen some music in the background till the time it have anything for us. From 7.55 it has direct target of 718 and 718.90. Here mark 718.20 level. Otherwise I'm just keeping otherwise this or this it can achieve quickly. And drama is on in the crude as of now. Total doji, the new range on the higher side. But our stochastic RSI is saying that better to buy, but we will not enter in the live candle. 5 minute is already going up and sustain so far on 5 minute 13 EMA. So wait and watch game, wait and watch. Don't trade and risk your capital on this crude. And silver took our stop loss in our risky trade, so we will exit. And we will exit. And I think it will come to test this 70,044 that we planned. So far crude is not giving any sign, while the silver will make the new high of 70,044 up today. Let's see, silver is going up. And above that, these are the level. Another 300 points move can come in silver. Finally crude is above 6500. And still 6 minutes to go to digest that news by the market. And let's see gold, if it reached, look, gold already reached 55,180. Okay, in the meantime silver already crossed 70,044. Yeah, already reached 70,044. And this stochastic is still showing the signal to go buy, but it's risky to go buy on the live candle. So silver hit the target that we were expecting earlier, but it took our SL in the counter trade. Crude will shoot up now. Looks like after this candle, once this candle close above this, it will directly stop at 6558. High probability is there. And look at the volume. So on the upside level, this is 6514. At least it has to sustain above 6514 as per the only levels. And the next level is 6544, 6567 and 609, and 6640 is a major breakout level for crude. So wait for it. If it is giving the dip, then you can have the chance to buy it. And look at the rejection again in the silver. It took our just stop loss, hit the previous decided target. Who is this guy in the... rejection is going on in copper. $6,500 so far not able to cross. Let's see, wait and watch, have some patience. Hope it will not come back in the same zone again, otherwise it will be end of the day for me now. If anyone have any question or doubt, feel free to ask. Look, in 15 minutes it moved everywhere but came back to the same level. So there is nothing, probably anything in the crude as of now. Now it made the big range, so this range has to be taken out now. Yeah, doji in crude. So for the SEP trader, it has to either break above the high or break below the low for the any trade. So crude is just a boring as of now. So let's find some other trade. Let's see if this may make any buyer candle here or not. Otherwise, this will be a fake breakdown. Sorry, this will be a fake breakout because the sellers are there from this level, say 717.55. Let's see. And silver again giving one signal as a kind of a double top. So let's see if it is closing below this 854, then again it will be the sell trade in silver. But crude still it is sideways. Let's see what does copper does. What is going on in Dow Jones? Dow Jones is 500 point up. Wow. SGX is just 75 point up. Wow, it came above this green zone. Dow Jones. Look, it is taking the support. Today it is very tough to find some proper trade in commodity. Most of the things looks bearish in silver now. If this candle close below this, then there will be the sell trade in silver again. Otherwise, it has a chance to bounce from this level. Copper is still in the same zone. There is crude is in the still same zone. There is nothing in crude oil now. So let's watch for silver and copper. Both of them are coming down and trying to retest. It gave the breakout of previous day high, and now it is retesting it. Let's see if it gets successful in retest, then it will be the buy trade in silver. And the same for this, it is coming down to retest the previous day's high, and if it sustain, takes the support from 875, then it will be the buy trade in silver. Otherwise, if fail, then it will be the sell trade, because one signal is here as well as for stochastic RSI. There is one signal that it is making double top. Avoid crude as of now. There is no proper signal for any trade. And let's see aluminum. Aluminum rejecting from 61.8% again. So sell trade is going on in aluminum now. You can take the sell trade from here with stop loss of this 209 in aluminum, aim for 208, 207. or for the SAP trader, if it goes below 208.55, then this will be the setup. Let's say if this sustain below this, then it will be the sell trade. And crude, as per the 15-minute stochastic, it is trying to bounce, but this big doji candle is the one which is not giving any safe signal to buy it. Now wait for this candle to close. Selling will come in silver. And copper, yeah, copper not able to sustain above as of now, trying to go to retest. Let's see, wait and watch for copper as well. Copper made the doji like the shooting star. Silver is going down. Crude now rejecting from 6500. There will be chance that from this silver should bounce, but stochastic RSI is giving the signal that it wants to go down. Crude stochastic RSI is showing that it wants to bounce. If you see here, it wants to bounce. So let me put it on 5-minute time frame. 5 minute is saying that one quick retracement should come in crude. Just remember both 23.6% in both the silver mini and silver micro. If this candle now close below this 23.60, one can again take the sell trade, but fresh and safe sell will be only below 665, but one can take the sell trade from here as well if it close below this 23.6% level, and here it will be 69.88811. If anyone have any question, feel free to ask. So I guess this is it for today. I will quickly repeat everything for copper. Let's start with copper. If copper sustain above this flip zone, it will be buy trade now. If it is going below this, it will be quick sell trade now. Signal is this, and you will be able to watch one trend line here. So be careful if it is coming here, and then from here it will be again trying to jump. So if it breaks this trend line, or if it is even below this, there is a high probability of sell. Yeah, sure, I will take the tomorrow's chart as well. And for silver, you are watching this currently as of now. This is for silver as of now. It didn't close below that line as of now for silver, and this is another trend line for silver as well. Let's see how it played out. And for the crude, this is one breakout trend line. It is already giving the breakout. So since this big doji candle is there, so I'm not feeling safe to trade crude as of now. So for the crude, wait and watch game, but stochastic RSI is showing the buy signal, and price is also above 13 EMA. So wait and watch for crude. It should go up, but if it fell and trade below 6464 now, then there is a good sell till 6404, 6405, 6435, and watch out for this. This looks like can be breakout and retest of this triangle as well. And for natural gas, better to avoid. I'm not advising natural gas to do anything now. And for aluminum, once this close below 38.2, then go for the trade in aluminum for the short side. First quick target will be 208.10, second will be 207.70, and 207.40 will be your ultimate target. Any other commodity left? Hope I cover everything as of now for commodity. For tomorrow's chart, I will post the charts in the group or Telegram channel, because I will need some more time to go through all the charts. Quickly, let's find anything if we have in the Bank of Baroda. We don't need. Motherson Sumi we don't need. City Union we don't need. So all this. Bell looks interesting, but it is between 61.8 78.6. So now below this it will be down, and Tata Motors already breaking down this range. ICICI Bank is also like a one rounding top pattern breakdown. Vedanta is at the support of 300. If here it bounce, then it will bounce properly. Let me see, still 1 minute to go, if any trade is there or no. Vedanta looks good. I will add it in my intraday list, because from this 300 zone either it will bounce or it break down, then all the buyers with their trailing stop loss or their stop loss limit, they will be getting executed. L&T, no, I don't trade. Perfect. Tata Power is not able to sustain above this, so it is going down. So last support is 210.35 for Tata Power. If it trades below 212.80, there is a chance 210.30 we can easily get in Tata Power, but I will be avoiding Tata Power for tomorrow. NTPC, Axis Bank below today's low, it will be selling, that is 929, 928. Below 928 there will be selling continuation in Axis Bank. Bandhan Bank, ITC is still in this my forecasted fib levels. Yeah, so it closed below this, but let's see. One can take the trade, but the stop loss either you can keep till here or maximum here in silver. If one wants to initiate the sell trade, can initiate the sell trade from here. So tomorrow till now Vedanta, yeah, as of now just Vedanta I found quickly, because I need a little bit of high value stock so that we can have the proper trade in that. Ambuja Cement is sitting at 50% and 61.8%. So if it dips till 521 and make bullish candle for 521, it will be bullish. Even 534 level to be watch out. If it takes the support from here, it will be bouncing. If it break down this 534, it will be going for a selling. So I'm also putting Ambuja cement for my intraday. Silver is going down, crude is going up. Infosys couldn't sustain above 78.60. So 1454 level will be watch out only for the buy trade. If it open gap up and comes down to 1514, then I will judge the price action. If it is making bullish candle at say 1514, then I will take the buy trade. Otherwise I will avoid Infosys. Finally crude started to go up as per the signal from this stochastic RSI, and copper wants to go down. Silver is still stuck at 13 EMA. NMDC finally break down this range, so if it is go up and facing resistance from this range, then and then only sell trade. If it open gap up above this range, then I will avoid this NMDC. So if you want to trade this low value stock, you can keep it on radar. Glenmark exactly bounced from this zone. Indian Hotels has decided it gave the good selling, but I missed to trade all these stocks today. I was mainly into the index today. From here it can continue the selling below the low of this candle, and all the swings you can mark as a target, but I will avoid this after this big selling. LIC housing with the rejection of seller, so if it trades below the low, and if I apply the Fibonacci for LIC only for this trade, so if it trades below the low of this candle, then there is a chance that it will come to retest 400 and 398 level in LIC Housing Finance. Balrampur Chini, as of now, it has to sustain above 405 as of now, and then there is a upside momentum open in Balrampur Chini, and you can mark all the swings here and then take the trade. And finally crude is going up. Hind Petro looks like 460, 461. Hind Petro also looks interesting to have a buy trade. Above this 460.60, or you can say 461, it will be the buy trade in the Petro. Z finally breaking down, so tomorrow wait for the Z. If it is come up and face the rejection from 250 range or 252 range, and it met the bearish candle or bearish pattern, then it will be the sell trade in Z Entertainment. Power Grid is sitting at 78.60 level, so mark this two level, 220.90 and 213.5. So if it is making rejection from this level, then it will be the sell trade, and if it is making any buyer wick rejection candle, then it will be buy trade. Otherwise breakdown of this, it will be the sell trade. Wipro, avoid Wipro. Bharti Airtel also good for buy and sell, 810, so I will add it. It is at 50% of retracement, so good to go on buy and long. And silver is started to going down. This is still stuck at 13 EMA. Crude is rejecting from 6514. If this candle close above 6514, then it will be one momentum till 44, and 6587. Silver is going down as of now, but safe sell in silver will be only below 665. Yeah, I will share my intraday list soon. Yeah, as of now, VDL, NMDC, Z, Bharti, Hindalco as well, Aditya Birla Capital, Biocon finally showing some strength to go up, but I am avoiding Biocon. It majorly news based. And if you remember this Adani port, it is rejected from the level and gave the good downfall. So right now it's just a simple mark the today's low. If it goes below 850, the next leg of selling will come to maybe pull it down till 844 and 833. Adani port. HDFC Bank is also bearish. Look at the crude rejecting from 6514 as of now. I think crude doesn't want to go anywhere today. Apollo Tires met the bearish engulfing candle, and if you plot one trend line, so this is the first closing just at the trend line. So either it will support bounce from this or it will go down. Low of the previous candle is 319 and the closing is exactly at 319 today in Apollo Tire. So watch out for Apollo. This can be one scenario for 318 to 319 range. If this 318 to 319 range is broken down, then 312 is easily visible in Apollo. Otherwise the bounce will come back from this level as well. Look at the seller wick rejection from 6514. Only take the sell trade once it start to trade below 6454, or otherwise if it trades below this box, only take the sell trade after that. But from here you have very limited target in crude, so be careful. So I will add Apollo Tire, then India Cement going crazy. Hind Petro is at flip level 231, so add this into your intraday list. So from 231 or 230 there is a chance of reversal. Breakout level is 235.70, and if you are in sell trade, so you have to book the profit at 226, and if 226 is broken down, then 223, and this level will open up the support. This support level will open up. Watch out for Reliance 2583. If it start to trade below 2583, then selling will come for sure. Otherwise this is critical support. Look at it, is stuck between 61.8 and 78.60 since last 1, 2, 3 days. But if it sustain above 2610, again the buying will come in Reliance, but we will see like it is between this support channel and this trend line. So I will add the Reliance. IRCTC is approaching the support. I would like to buy if it is taking the support from 637 to 650 zone. First, if it takes the support from 650, I will take the buy trade, and my stop loss will be 5 rupees maximum. And then if it is breaking down and hitting my stop loss, and then if it is again rising, and if it is face resistance from 650, then I will take the sell trade from 650, and I will wait for 637 level to reach. So let's see if it sustain from 637 and bounce, then it will be bouncing from 637 as well. So IRCTC will be on radar for coming days and tomorrow as well. Then Jubilant Foodwork I am avoiding as of now. Adani Enterprise avoiding. DLF. Cipla bounced. So tomorrow wait for 1135 Cipla. follow-up volume is coming or not in Cipla. As of now 1124 level is to watch out. If it gap up open, comes to 1135 and again make the bullish candle from here on 5 minute, we can enter into the buy trade, aim for 1169 or this swing high of 1150. If it break down, wait for this 1124 level to test and makes any bullish candle, then go long. If it is trading below 1124 and then breakouts 1124, then buy trade. Otherwise don't take the sell trade here because it will be spending sideways time. Only take the buy trade on breakout of 1124 and take the target at 1135 and breakout of 1135, 114050, sorry 114850 will be your target. Look, the wick is generating there. Here is also same. So crude is not in mood to go anywhere as of now, so no trade in crude. So I think that's it for commodity. EX is going down. HCl looks good, but only on the breakout of 1058. So you can mark 1058 as an alert. If it crosses above 1058, then you can go into the HCl take buy trade. Then BPCL, Aurobindo Pharma, Exide. Exide look bearish if you see. The lowest closing as of now. So far all the closing were higher. This is the lowest closing for this. And if you apply Fibonacci, let's say from here to here, it is at 23. So you can add Exide as well for intraday. 187 level to watch out. Below this it will be selling. If it sustains from here it will be buying. In the copper now, Kotak Bank, interesting. So for Kotak Bank, wait for 1828 1830 level. If it is bouncing till 1820 1830 level and facing resistance from 1820 1830 level, then it will be the sell trade. So Kotak Bank looks interesting if it reject from this level, but if it sustain above this and comes into the box, then it will be buy trade. Yeah, Apollo Tire and Exide, yes. I will show you the list as well. Dabur looks interesting as of now, sustaining this. So maybe if tomorrow there is no major buying in major index heavyweight, then FMCG stocks can do something well. So this is at the support zone, Dabur. So from here bounce or selling both can come. So if buyer are not able to hold it, then the selling will come. But if buyer shows their strength, then the buying will come from here. And you can mark all the swings on your chart and take the levels. ICICI Pro is so far going down. UPL, not red for UPL. It looks bearish, but I'm avoiding UPL. Bata India. Bata India you can sorry, this is Birla Soft. Birla Soft also rejecting from 38.2, and so far it closed above the high of high is, what is the high of previous candle, 299.80, almost near the high it closed. So wait and watch for Bsoft. 297.65 level to watch out. Here if it is making any bullish candle, take a buy trade. If it is making any bearish candle and breaking down, take a sell trade in intraday Birla Soft. But personally I'm not trading Birla Soft, but you can watch on radar. ABFRL, good stock at good level. So this box needs to be sustained, can be working as a support. If it open gap down below inside the box and sustain at 299.55, so at this level you can see either it is making bullish candle or bearish candle, then take the trade on either side. But if it sustain above the box and then takes the buy trade, takes the makes the any hammer candle or bullish candle, then it will be the buy trade. Aim for 5 to 6 points maximum in that thing. Sun Pharma looking interesting as of now. I will add the Sun Pharma. Simple trade. This is the zone, today's high and this candle's high. And if we apply now Fibonacci from this big, first let's apply from this big uptrend and see where it is. So it is about 38.20, and if I just have to see for only this much of downtrend, then where it is. So it is approaching 38.2 for the down, and for the up it is at it took support from 38.20 for today. So I will prefer this as of now, this downtrend, or let's see for this uptrend of this continuation. Where is it? Okay, so it is at 61.8. This looks promising. So once it start to sustain above 61.8 level of 1006, buy trade. If it reject, sell trade. Simple, no need to chase any gap up or gap down opening. And silver is falling down now at 665. So if someone has a short on this live candle, can book profit quickly. And crude doesn't want to go anywhere, and copper is falling down again. It already broke this trend line. Silver also broke the trend line quickly like a waterfall. Let's see, reversal should come in silver. So watch out for these three levels in silver, and you can mark those levels on each and every swing. So this is your first level to watch out. Or if you don't want to make the swing, now you have to just take this big and here the same. This is your this is, you can apply the Fibonacci for your trade setup for the reversal. So Sun Pharma, Tech Mahindra, LT, Metropolis, Dr. Lalpat, Lupin. Rain Industries is down, is looking bearish. Bharat Forge also looking bearish. Sun TV Network, watch out for this trend line if you want to play in this 500 rupee stock. This is a channel, Paul and flag. Breakdown of this can give you downtrend. If I apply Fibonacci, so it already gave the closing below 38.2. So watch out for Sun TV as well, but I'm not adding in my trading list. IndusInd Bank, watch out for 1187 level. I will add this in the, so I will wait for only 1187 level. If the price is there and then it makes something either bullish or bearish candle, then I will take the trade from this level. Otherwise I will ignore it. I need only my level, and I will judge the price action near that level. Otherwise I will not take the trade from random level. Divis Laboratory is looking bullish, but only above that. TCS looking good. The same, mark this zone from here to here. Yeah, TVS is one of the thing to add for tomorrow. Bajaj Finserv is at 78.60 level, looking good to have it for intraday. I think that's it. Even there will be some other stocks, but these stocks are enough for me to trade tomorrow. GNFC falling down. Indigo again back in the zone, 2016. So again the same setup for Indigo, to watch out for tomorrow, 2016 level. Bajaj Finserv, yes, Bajaj Finserv I added. It is at the same level. no matter wherever it goes, 1580 level will be to watch out for tomorrow. If it is goes up or down, either I need the some price action here or I need some price action here, then I will take the trade. Otherwise I will ignore it. I need some price action only near the level to take the trade. And the same for Indigo. Indigo is near at 2016. So anyhow, anywhere, if makes the price action near 2016, and then if it comes out from this box, then it will be the buy or sell trade from this. Meanwhile, crude is rejecting, now looking like it is a good sell trade. Silver sell trade is still going on. Copper is near 13 EMA. So the buyer couldn't push the price up above 6,514. Okay, Canfin, Tata Chemical coming to fill the gap. So I think let it give one more day to reach till here, and then we can see some price action, and then we can take the trade. Petronet, Mindtree, Hindustan Aeronautic. It bounce again, come back here. Let's see where does it goes. I will add HAL. I think that's enough. Better to not have a lot of stocks. But we will just go through the quickly, and then what was this? Crompton. Crompton is at support. Piramal rejected from 50% retracement for the downtrend. I think it's about to hit 576 now. Yeah, that's it for now. Apollo already bounced from this. I already told you. Can reach till this zone as well. Godrej Consumer is also at the support zone of 883 to 885. So if it bounce from here, then it will be the good bounce. If it break down, then it will be the good breakdown. So both scenario will be there for this range for Godrej Consumer. Bajaj Finserv, okay, I will explain it. Okay, I think it is enough for tomorrow's stock. There are a lot of stocks, so I will first explain you Bajaj. Bajaj Finserv, just keep it like this. If it is near this zone is 1567 to 1572. Otherwise I will just prefer this Fibonacci, which is 1580. If it is bouncing from 1580, then I will like to take the buy trade, and then you can mark all the swings on the chart, and then you can aim for the target, and max target will be 1620. And then if 1620 acting as a resistance, then I would like to take the sell trade from here. But if it is breaking down this 1580, then 1567 will be immediate target, and if it is even going below 1567, then it will be going till 1542 and 1553. But it is again holding this 78.60 level like 1, 2, 3 and 4, and even in the past it has worked as a good bounce. Like even the big red candle, the next candle was like good bounce. So watch out for tomorrow as well. Maybe from here, if it is making any bullish candle, then it will be the bounce. Better to avoid the gap up or gap up opening. If it opens gap up, avoid this stock. Wait for this 1620 or 1580 to judge. If it is breaking down, you will take the sell trade, and if it is breaking out here, you will take the buy trade. But if it is rejecting from here, you will take the sell, and if it is taking support from here, you will take the buy trade. So wait and watch for Bajaj Finserv for any other side of trade. So this is my stocks. You can take the screenshot as of now. All are with the high volume respect to that. So Vedanta, Ambuja, Infi, Bharti, Apollo, Inpetro, IRCTC. I will put IRCTC on the top for tomorrow. Then second Reliance, then Ambuja, then Infi, then I will put Dabur above Infi, ABFRL, Kotak, Godrej, HAL, Bajaj. I will put Reliance a little bit down. I will put TVS Motor beside Dabur, Godrej also above Infi, Apollo Tire, VEDL above Infi. Infi will go below this. Sun Pharma also above Infi, X side also above Infi, Bharti Airtel also above Infi, Kotak Bank, then Bajaj Finance, and Bharti Airtel above. So these are my stocks. You can take the screenshot if you want, or else if I can export the list. How can I export the list? Make a copy. I will paste it. Is it possible to paste it? No. Sorry, save a list as. How can I export? Is there anything that share list? But how can I copy link? I don't know how it. If I close it, then will it work or no? Anyway, you can take the wait for this to close below 6464. Otherwise, I'm right now not interested in crude. Already spoiled mode, not moving anywhere. So stuck in the range. Last hour selling should come in crude. All right. So that's it for today. Hope you have taken the screenshot of this all the stocks from IRCTC to IndusInd Bank. These are the stocks for tomorrow to watch out. But you can sort out. I will also pull it down. So these are the stocks as of now. Better to keep a less stock. I will prefer only IRCTC, Dabur, TVS and Godrej. Only 4 stocks I will prefer tomorrow. Otherwise, if other movement are there, then I will watch other stocks tomorrow. Bharti Airtel also, Apollo, Ambuja, yeah, like this only. So these are the stocks for tomorrow. So hope you enjoy this live session. Since now I have some plan to go, so I will be going and ending this stream. If you have any question, do reach out to me on direct contact. The contact Telegram direct contact is already pinned in this chat box, so you can reach out to me directly. Thank you for your time. I am going to sign out now and going to end the stream. Thank you and